Before starting today's video, thank you to you and all watching our video. We just completed 10k followers in our Facebook page. By the way, if you're not following us there, then the links are given in the description. You can check it out. We post fact and some special kind of videos in our Facebook page as well as in Instagram also. So now let's begin. When rainstorm of the first season occurs, a earthy smell comes out from the ground or nearby surrounding. Isn't it? This unique smell is considered pleasant. But have you ever thought the reason behind this earthy odor or what is the mechanism behind it which releases the aroma into the environment? So in this video, we are going to know that why soil smells after rain. So you are watching Know the Fact and let's begin. So the very first reason is the fresh smell that comes after a thunderstorm is due to ozone. According to scientists, ozone has a pungent and a very sharp smell similar to that of chlorine gas. After rain, some amount of ozone gas present in the atmosphere dissolves with rainwater due to which the smell or aroma arises. The second reason is the existence of bacteria. According to scientists, a different type of bacteria is found in the soil, which also causes the smell. And the third reason is the oil, which are secreted by various plants. These oil collect in the environment, and when it rains, certain chemicals that make up the oil get released into the atmosphere, causing a familiar scent or smell. Also, some scientists say that rain, water, and soil perform some type of reaction due to which strange fragrance or aroma occurs. Hope you enjoyed the video and gained lots of information. If you did, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really appreciates us and motivate us to make such kinds of videos. And if you're having any queries or feedback, then do mention in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.